This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Desi Churma at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of coarse whole wheat flour and 1/4 cup of semolina for that perfect texture. Also, have 4 tablespoons of melted ghee ready for the dough. For sweetness, prepare about 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder. Finally, ensure you have enough ghee for deep frying. Around 2 cups should suffice. Now, let's get our hands into making the dough. In a deep bowl, combine your whole wheat flour, semolina, and 4 tablespoons of melted ghee, mixing thoroughly. Slowly add about 1/4 cup of water, kneading until you achieve a stiff dough. Divide this dough into 8 equal portions. Then, shape each portion into a fist-sized muthia, pressing gently in the center to create a small indentation. Next, we move to frying and preparing the churma base. Heat enough ghee in a deep pan for deep frying. Carefully slide a few muthias into the hot ghee and fry them on a low flame until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Remember, cooking them slowly ensures they are cooked through, not just on the outside. Once fried, drain them and let them cool completely. Then, break these cooled muthias into smaller pieces. For the final steps, take your broken muthia pieces and grind them into a coarse powder using a mixer or food processor. Transfer this churma powder into a mixing bowl. Now, add your 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Your delicious homemade Desi Churma is now ready to be savored and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.